Hi, welcome back to Simplimath. I'm Reshu, your maths teacher. I have a bachelor's and master's degree in maths, and I'm helping you cover every concept, every example, and every question from every exercise. So, when you subscribe to the channel, you get access to all this knowledge, which will help you prepare for your exams better. Alright, so now in this video we will understand what are linear equations and what are linear equations in two variables. But for that, first of all, let us know what are equations. An equation is something where we have an LHS and we have RHS, and we know that LHS equal to RHS, and LHS and RHS can have both constant terms and variable terms. Alright, so now what is a linear equation? A linear equation is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. That is, the degree of the equation is 1. For example, if I talk about linear equation in one variable, I can say 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So here we have an equal to sign, which signifies that it is an equation, right? And we have an LHS, we have an RHS. So if we solve this equation, what do we get? We get x equals to minus 2 by 3. So x equals to minus 2 by 3 is the solution of this equation, 3x plus 2. Now you note over here that the power of the variable term x here is 1. So the degree is 1 of this equation. So I can say that it is a linear equation, and here we only have one variable term x, so it is a linear equation in one variable. Okay, now what is a linear equation in two variables? A linear equation in two variables will be an equation of a similar form, but there will be two variables and degree of both the variables would be 1. For example, let us say we have 3x plus 4y equals to 5, right? So here, how many variable terms do we have? Now 3 is a constant, 4 is a constant, 5 is a constant, x is a variable, y is a variable, and the power of x is 1, power of y is 1. So I can say the degree of this equation y equation, because we have an equal to sign, right? So the degree of this equation is 1, and hence it is a linear equation. And since there are two variables x and y, I can say that it is a linear equation in two variables. Okay, now when we represent such equations graphically, we get a straight line. Okay, we get a straight line when we plot them on a graph. All right, and the standard form of representing linear equation in two variables is of the form ax plus by equals c, where a, b and c are constant terms and x and y are variables, right? And also note that the power of x and y is 1 over here. So it is a linear equation in two variable. Now we will understand finding the solution of a pair of linear equations. So for example, we are given two equations, 3x plus 4y equals to 20 and y equals to 1 by 2x. So it is a pair of linear equations. So we will understand in this chapter how to find the solution of pair of linear equations. So there are various ways, and we will understand them one by one in the coming videos. So if you have any queries regarding what I've explained in this video, please let me know them down in the comment section below. And if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends.